About this item: compatible with work with the new USB Type-C devices compatible with Samsung Galaxy S10/S10e/S9/S8, Note 1098, Plus/S8 Plus, LG G6 G5 V30 V20, LG Nexus 5X, Lumia 950, Lumia 950 XL, ZTE Exxon 7, Moto Z2 Play, Sony Xperia XZ, HTC U11/10, Nokia N1, and other USB Type-C cable device spring protection. An additional spring has been added to the cord and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. In the laboratory environment, bending test can reach 12,000 times plus. Certified 3 amp fast charge compared with other USB 2.0 cable that delivers 5V/2.4A current. USB cable provides up to 5V/3A safe charging current, which speed increased by 40%. You can also sync data between two devices with the C-type charging cable. USB 2.0 charging and data transfer. 3-pack phone charger. C-type supports safe high-speed charging and fast data transfer, 480 mbps. Standard 5.6K Omega pull-up resistor provides a safer charging current. It can prolong the battery life. 6 feet makes inconvenient office outlets reachable and makes it easier to use and charge your phone while relaxing in bed.